Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to remove yourself from tagged photos on Facebook app. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So here are the general steps to remove yourself from tagged photos on Facebook using the iPhone app. And it literally works on other devices. So now, here are the steps to remove yourself from tagged photos on Facebook. So step 1, launch the Facebook app on your device. Step 2, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner, the More menu, or the bottom middle of the screen, depending on the app version. Open the menu and tap on your profile to go to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile, tap on the Photos tab to view all your photos. Look for the Tagged section, which displays photos you are tagged in, so go ahead and tap on it. Step 5. Scroll through the tagged photos to find the one from which you want to remove yourself. Step 6. Tap on the photo to open it. Step 7. On the photo, tap on the tag icon on the top right. Tap on your name, then tap on the X icon beside your name. So tap on this option. Step 8. Confirm the removal if prompted. Additionally, keep in mind that you can only remove tags from photos that others have tagged you. If you want a photo removed entirely from Facebook, you might need to ask the person who uploaded it to take it down or report the photo to Facebook for review. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.